Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the step to fix the common issue of your Targus Docking Station Ethernet not working. So follow along as we have to troubleshoot and resolve this connectivity problem to ensure your device are properly connected and functioning. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest video in the future. Now let's begin. First solution is you have to simply check Ethernet cable connection. Ensure your Ethernet connection is securely connected to the docking station by firmly inserting in your Ethernet port or both the docking station and the computer. Then you have to check for any physical damages to the cable that may be affecting connectivity issue. So now in solution 2 we have to update your driver software. Then first you have to open your device manager in your system, simply going to this home section. Now type your device manager. Then you have to click on this. In device manager, we are going to this network adapter. Then expand your network adapter in your device. Simply click on this. Then as you can see, that's an expand. Then we have to find there in this section tag as USB Ethernet. So we have to right click on this and related to network adapter that may be listed by simply as you can see I'm going to this. Now we have to select update driver software from the context menu. Then choose the option to browse your computer for drivers. Now you have to choose it browse my your computer for driver software and navigate to the display link. And after this you have to where the update driver will located. Then follow the on instruction to complete the driver update. Now we are going to the solution 3. Uninstall Kaspersky. So first we have to disconnect your computer from the docking station. Then simply you have to type your going to this in home section. Now we have to type this control panel. Then you can see I'm already searching. We have to click on this and now we have to go into program and features there. And now you have to simply your Kaspersky sky and enter this. As you can see, this system I am not listed in this my Kaspersky in this section. So, but you have to simply going to this. I am going to the section before. Then how you can uninstall your Kaspersky in your system. First, simply you have to select your device in your Kaspersky in this section. Then you have to right click on this or simply double click. That's all. They are the option in uninstall or double click. Then they are the option in uninstall your app by going to the simple yes section. That's how you can uninstall your Kaspersky in this system. Now we have to go and move to solution 4. Reinstall your DisplayLink software. First we have to go into the control panel, type their control panel, then you have to this and now we are going to this program feature. Then we have to select DisplayLink and choose to uninstall it. Now I am showing you. I have this section displaying in this section in now is provided in my Windows. So simply I'm going to how you can install your displaying in this section. Simply double click on this and then now you have to click yes. That's how you can uninstall your in your device displaying. Then and after uninstall your displaying in your system, then simply then use a cleaning app to remove any leftover displaying software remnant. Then after you have to temporarily disable Window Defender if needed. And now we have to reinstall the displaying software by downloading the latest version from the official website. By simply going to we have to go to official website. Then after running the installer and follow the installation prompt. We have to simply going to the download displaying driver from the respective website. And now we have to Windows, you have to select your installer and now you have to download this. After installing, reconnect the docking station and check in device manager for Targus Ethernet start working. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you tackle the problem of your Targus Ethernet not connecting. So docking in docking station. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this issue and we will catch you in our next video.